stop attacking our cities to hide your administration's failures.
Yeah.
Unlike the Trump administration, Boston follows the law. And Boston will not back down from who we are and what we stand for.
So the feds are asking for the bare minimum here, which is if you have a criminal, illegal alien inside of your custody, just turn them over within 48 hours. And they're saying no.
Yeah, this is the absolute bare minimum, and this is very perilous ground that we're going into right now. We are on the verge of a new nullification crisis where you're going to have cities and states across the country just tell the federal government, nope, actually, we're not going to obey federal law. And this is after, and you guys just covered this previously, just another example of an illegal alien here in this country, didn't understand English, got a commercial driver's license, did an illegal U-turn, and 3 dead Americans because of that. How many more of these situations do we now have to live through? So what the mayor of Boston, Michelle Wu, is doing is she is acting in a neo-Confederate way, where she's basically saying, we're going to have our own laws here in Boston. We're not going to have the federal supremacy over our city. And you think of the implications of that, everyone would be up in arms if a southern state would even dare whisper this kind of behavior. But we're putting up with this when it comes to Boston or Philadelphia, San Francisco or Los Angeles. And you do not get to carve out your own little fiefdoms in America's biggest cities against federal law enforcement. And your point is exactly right, Lawrence. This is the bare minimum. We're not asking for them to march with ICE down the streets of Boston. We're not asking for them to go into Logan Park and, work with ICE. We're asking, hey, when there's someone that's a criminal, alien, illegal, can you at least make sure you hand them over? And Michelle Wu is actively harboring, she's admitted to this, and she is actively involved in what could only be described as verging on neo-Confederate behavior. I hope the Trump administration looks at every possible legal recourse because we cannot put up with this in our country.